Yes, class. Chapter number 3rd, numerical number 6. Okay. Open your accountancy book, numerical number 6, chapter number 3rd. Now I'm going to read numerical. Here start. J, K, and H were partner in a firm sharing profit in ratio of 5:3:2. On 31st March 2017, their balance sheet was as follow. Okay. As in balance sheet, liability side first, creditors amount rupees 42,000, investment fluctuation fund 20,000, P&L 80,000, capital of JHK 1 lakh 80,000 and 40,000, total 220. Now in asset side, land and building 124,000, motor van 40,000, investment 38,000, machinery 24,000, stock 30,000, debtors 80,000, less provision 6,000, balance 74, cash balance is 32,000. Okay. Now come to other information. On the above date, H retired and J and K agreed to continue the business on the following terms. Number 1, goodwill of firm was valued at rupees 1 lakh 2,000. Number 2, there was a claim of 8,000 for worksman compensation reserve. We will make a reserve for it. Worksman compensation reserve. It's a liability. Liability increase. Liability increase means loss. PBD was to be reduced by rupees 2,000. This is profit because provision for bad debts. PBD is a liability. If liability reduced, then it's a profit. One liability increase WCR and one liability decrease PBD. H will be paid 14,000 in cash and the balance will be transferred in his loan account, which will be paid in 4 equal installments together with interest at 10% per annum. The new P&L ratio between J and K will be 3:2 and their capital will be in their new profit sharing ratio. The capital adjustment will be done by opening current account, prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and the balance sheet of the new firm. Yes. No loan account. Loan account आपको नहीं बनाना है. Now point number 5 is the most important and most complicated point of numerical number 6, because in which we will make capital adjustment. Capital adjustment done in numerical number 5 also. In chapter number 3rd, there are two type of capital adjustment. First, like in numerical number 5, and second in numerical number 6. In numerical number 5, the capital of new firm is given rupees 28,000 in 5 number numerical. I am talking about numerical number 5. Okay. In numerical number 5, firm total capital was 28,000, which was divided between A and C in their new profit sharing ratio, that was 5:3. Okay. But in this numerical, the capital of new firm is not giving, but the information is that the capital will be divided into new profit sharing ratio 3:2. Where is the capital? Capital not given. So we will calculate capital just like normally we will calculate our balance CD. But balance CD is a new firm capital always. बैलेंस CD इज़ न्यू फॉर्म कैपिटल ऑलवेज. जैसे आप हमेशा बैलेंस CD निकालते हैं ना नॉर्मली किसी न्यूमेरिकल में, वैसा ही बैलेंस CD आपको यहाँ ही निकालना पड़ेगा. बट वो बैलेंस CD अकॉर्डिंग टू न्यूमेरिकल इनके न्यू रेशियो में क्या करना है, डिवाइड करना है. न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 5 में कैपिटल दे रखा था 28,000 और बोला था उसको डिवाइड कर दो, बट यहाँ कैपिटल दी नहीं गई है और बोला गया कि डिवाइड करो. तो डिवाइड कहाँ से करें, बताई तो नहीं. तो ऐसी कंडीशन में जब कैपिटल नहीं दे रखी है और ये कह रहा है कि डिवाइड करो न्यू रेशो में, तो हम अपना बैलेंस CD काउंट करेंगे, जो जनरली हम करते हैं बैलेंस CD CR माइनस DR से. हम अपना बैलेंस CD काउंट करेंगे और उस बैलेंस CD को हम इस न्यू रेशो में क्या कर देंगे, डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो ये इस क्वेश्चन का सबसे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड पॉइंट ये है, पॉइंट नंबर 5. ओके. नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कम टू revaluation account. Our first step is prepare revaluation account. Yes, start revaluation account. Debit side and credit side, numerical number 6. There are only two adjustments related to revaluation account. First is second number point, a claim for a claim of rupees 8,000 for worksman compensation reserve. So WCR is a liability, and if a liability increase, then it's a loss, and loss transfer to DR side to WCR amount rupees 8,000. And point number third, PBD reduce. PBD reduce mean liability reduce. Liability reduce mean profit, and profit transfer to CR side with rupees 2,000. One liability is increase and one liability is decrease. Liability increase loss DR, liability decrease profit CR. So one is a profit and one is a loss. Now come to next balancing figure of revaluation account. Debit side is higher. Total of debit side is 8,000. Total of credit side is 2,000. So 8 minus 2, 6,000 loss. 8 minus 2, 6,000 loss. And the loss of revaluation account transfer to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. So loss of 6,000 divided into JHK in 532, 6,000 into 5 upon 10, 6,000 into 3 upon 10, and 6,000 into 2 upon 10, 3,000, 1,800 and 1,200 is a loss of revaluation account which is transferred to partners capital account. Okay, revaluation account is little bit easy in this numerical because there are only two adjustment. One is loss and another is profit, and net balance is loss 6,000 which is transferred to all partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, now come to next. Our next level is prepare partners capital account. Three column in debit side and 3 column in credit side. Okay, now we know that the capital account start from buy balance BD. Buy balance BD mean opening balance of capital account. Opening balance of capital account, buy balance BD, credit balance. So first of all, buy balance BD. Where is buy balance BD? Buy balance BD is taken from your balance sheet. In balance sheet liability side, there is capital of J, H and K 1,80,000 and 40,000. So these balance are transferred to partners capital account as a buy balance BD 1,80,000 and 40,000. Our next step is search any other item related to partners capital account. Yes, there is a investment fluctuation fund. Investment fluctuation fund generally used at the time of investment decrease. Investment fluctuation fund used at the time of investment decrease. Okay, but in our numerical there is no information available regarding investment, so the investment fluctuation reserve is totally free, just like a general reserve, and we will transfer the investment fluctuation fund in our partners capital account like a general reserve. Investment fluctuation fund, investment fluctuation reserve, both are same. Okay, so buy investment fluctuation fund or reserve rupees 20,000 which is divided between J, H and K in 5:3:2. So buy IFR, investment fluctuation reserve or fund. By IFR 20,000 divide 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000, 532. Okay, now next P&L. P&L is a profit. Profit also transferred to partners capital account credit side. 80,000 divide into 532 to 40,000, 24,000 and 16,000. Okay, these are item related to liability side. Okay, buy balance BD liability side, IFR liability side, P&L liability side. Okay, now come to next. In asset side, there is any goodwill account? No. Any P&L in asset side? No. Any other loss or expense? No. Yes. There is no item related to partners capital account in our asset side. So there is only three adjustment related to balance sheet which are already transferred by balance BD, by IFR and by P&L. Okay, our balance sheet is finished from capital point of view. Now next, revaluation account. Yes, there is a loss in revaluation account of 6,000. Divide in J, H and K 3, 18 and 1,200. This revaluation loss is debited to partners capital account to revaluation account 3,000, 1,800 and 1,200. Okay, the loss transferred to partners capital account. our next step, third step, we will check our other information, that there is any adjustment related to partner's capital account. Yes, first adjustment, goodwill. Goodwill of firm valued at rupees 1,02,000. Yes, we know that at the time of retirement, we will transfer goodwill to retiring partner's capital account. We will pay goodwill to retiring partner's capital account, and this goodwill is paid to him by remaining partner. जाने वाले को goodwill कौन देगा? Remaining partner देंगे. कौन से रेशो में? In which ratio? Gaining ratio. So first of all, we will calculate as share in goodwill. Total goodwill is 1,02,000. As share is 3/10, 532. So 30,600 is a H goodwill in total. So these 30,600 will be paid to H by J and K. In which ratio? Gaining ratio. H को मिलेंगे 30,600. कौन देगा? J और K देंगे. Remaining partner देंगे. In which ratio? Gain ratio. So first we will calculate gain ratio and then make adjustment for it. Yes. First of all, we will calculate gain ratio. Gain ratio, new minus old for J and for K. New ratio of J as per given information 3:2, 3/5. Old is given 5/10. So 3/5 minus 5/10 after calculation 1/10. In case of K, new ratio is 2/5. Old is 2/10, or 2/5 minus 2/10 after calculation 2/10. Okay. 10 denominator cancel, then gain ratio of J and K is 1:2. Okay. Now we will made a journal entry for it. Journal entry regarding goodwill. Journal entry is remaining partners capital account DR to retiring partners capital account, that is J's capital account DR, K's capital account DR to H capital account. H is credit with amount 30,600 from here. Okay, and these 30,600 is debited to J and K in gaining ratio, that is 30,600 into 1/3 and 30,600 into 2/3. So J is debited with 10,200 and K is debited with 20,400. This is journal entry for goodwill adjustment, remaining partners capital account DR to retiring partners capital account. retiring partner को क्रेडिट किया 30,600 से 30,600 से, और सेम अमाउंट से remaining partner will be debited in gaining ratio. So 30,600 into 1/3 and 30,600 into 2/3, 10,200 and 20,400. Now this journal entry will be posted in our partner's capital account. How? J and K are debit in journal entry, so they debited in capital account also with name of H. To H, J is debited with 10,200 and K is debited with 20,400. Remaining partners are debited in short. And retiring partner is credit, so H is credited with 30,600 with the name of J and name of K. By J 10,200, by K 20,400. So remaining are debit and retiring are credit with amount of goodwill. Simple, एकदम simple fund है. It's a simple concept. Remaining partner debit and retiring partner credit with amount of goodwill in gaining ratio. In short, small concept. Remaining debit, retiring credit in amount of with amount of goodwill in gaining ratio. Okay. Now come to next. Our next level is our last level, in which we will calculate balancing figure. But first of all, we will calculate balance of H, because he is a retiring partner na. So according to given information, H paid finally 14,000 in cash and balance transferred to his loan account. So first of all, we will pay to H cash, to cash. Okay, to cash 14,000 paid to H. And now we will calculate balancing figure, and this balancing figure transferred to his loan account. Okay, total of credit side is 1,40,600. 1,40,600, and in debit side there are two amount, 14,000 cash and 1800 is revolution law, that is 15,800. So 1,40,600 minus 15,800, and balancing figure transfer to loan account 124,800. 124,800 is a balancing figure of H capital account, which is transferred to his loan account and paid in equal 4 installment with 10% interest. Okay, so total of H credit side 14600, and in which and there in debit side there are two amount, cash 14,000 and revolution 1800. So 15,800 minus 14600, then balancing figure transfer to loan account 124,800. So H capital account is permanently closed. Now come to next, the major concept of numerical capital adjustment. First of all, we will make a working note for it. Okay, yes, here is working note for capital adjustment. First of all, we will calculate balancing figure of partners capital account. Generally we know that how to calculate balancing figure. Calculation of adjusted capital of new firm की capital. Okay, for J and for K, H are retired na. Total of credit side for both of them. Total of credit side J 150 and total of credit side K 60. Okay, total of credit side for both of them 150 and 60. Now total of debit side 13,200 and 21,600. So we know that credit minus debit for both case, 150 minus 13,200 equal to 136,800, 60 minus 21,600 equal to 38,400. These are balancing figure of J and K, and these are known as total capital of new firm. So the total capital of new firm is 136,800 plus 38,400 equal to 175,200. 175,200 is the new capital of firm. New firm's capital is 175,200. This is our balancing figure generally. Okay, now these 175,200 will be divided in J and K in their new profit sharing ratio. As per given information, the capital of new firm will be divided into new ratio. So capital of new firm is 175,200. These are balancing figure of J and K, and these balancing figure total 175,200 will be divided into new profit sharing ratio. 175,200 into 3 upon 5, 175,200 into 2 upon 5. So J's capital is 15,120 and K's capital is 7,080 rupees. J's capital is 1,05,120 and K's capital is 70,080 rupees. These capital are known as our balance CD, not this. This is our balance CD. This is old balance CD, 136,800 and 38,400 old balance CD. But balance CD, ओल्ड बैलेंस CD डिवाइडेड इनटू न्यू रेशो. बैलेंस CD वही है पुराना 1,36,800 और 38,400, बट उसे हमने जोड़ के उनके नए रेशो में क्या कर दिया है, डिवाइड कर दिया है. तो बैलेंस CD तो वही रहा ना जैसे पहले आता है, ओवरऑल वही है, टोटल वही है 175,200 175,200, बट पहले 175,200 ओल्ड रेशो के अकॉर्डिंग था 532 के अकॉर्डिंग, बट उसी 175,200 को अब उनके न्यू रेशो में क्या कर दिया गया है, डिवाइड कर दिया गया है. इतना ही कंसेप्ट है, यही एक समझने वाला मामला था इसमें. नाउ कम टू अगेन आवर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो टू बैलेंस CD एज पर आवर कैलकुलेशन 1,05,120 and 70,080 rupees for J and K. Okay. Now we will calculate that both sides are equal or not. Generally we assume we think that after balance CD both sides are equal, but we will check it that they are both sides are equal or not. Okay, in case of J first. Total of credit side is 1,50,000. Okay, so 150 minus 1,05,120 and 13,200. 10 plus 3, 13,200. So 150 minus 1,05,100, sorry, 1,05,120 and 13,200. Then balancing figure is 31,680. This is balancing figure 31,680, which is transferred to current account, and write balancing figure here. 1,50,000 में से मैंने क्रेडिट साइड के जो हैं 3,000, 10, 200 एंड 1,5,120 माइनस किए, तो बैलेंस आ गया 31,680, विच इज़ ट्रांसफर टू करंट अकाउंट एज पर गिवन इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट बैलेंसिंग फिगर ट्रांसफर टू करंट अकाउंट ऑफ जे एंड के. ओके, तो 150 माइनस 3,000 minus 10, 200, 1,05,120, then balancing figure 31,680 transfer to current account of J. Okay, and these current account transfer to liability side. These current account balance transfer to liability side with the name of J. Okay, now K. In case of K, debit side is higher. 7,080 plus 20,400 and 1,200. 1,200 plus 20,400 plus 70,080 equal to 91,680 minus 40 plus 4 plus 16, that is 40, 50, 60,000. So 91,680 minus 60,000, that is 31,680. 31,680. This is 31,680. Both are equal. Both sides are equal. 31,680 in case of J and 31,680, just a minute, 31,680 in case of J and 31,680 in case of K. But in case of J, this is credit side, credit balance, and in case of K, this is debit balance. This is the main difference, that J's balance is credit balance and K's balance is debit balance. So in case of K, debit side is higher, 91,680. So 91,680 minus 40,000 minus 4,000 minus 16,000, that is 31,680 is your balancing figure transferred to current account. So both balance are transferred to current account, but in case of J, this is liability because credit side is higher, or in case of K, that is debit balance because डेबिट साइड इज़ हायर एंड ट्रांसफ़र टू एसेट साइड. ओके, तो बैलेंस सीडी पहले आया है और बैलेंसिंग फिगर क्या आया है उसके बाद में है. बस यही समझने वाली बात है कि बैलेंस सीडी पहले लिखा है, बैलेंसिंग फिगर बाद में आया. क्रेडिट साइड ज़्यादा है तो टू करंट अकाउंट, और डेबिट साइड ज़्यादा है तो बाय करंट अकाउंट. बाय करंट अकाउंट तो एसेट्स में जाएगा, और टू करंट अकाउंट कहाँ जाएगा? लायबिलिटी साइड में जाएगा. ओके, नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट योर बैलेंस शीट. Last step, balance sheet. First, liability side, capital of J and K. This is the balance of capital, 15,120, 70,080, and total is 175,200. Okay, H loan account. H loan account is H capital account balance 124,800. H balance is 124,800 loan account balance in capital account. Okay, creditors given in old balance sheet 42,000. WCR in other information, new liabilities generated with WCR, and this is current account of J. मैंने आपको बताया था ना, current account of J transfer to liability side. Current account of J 31,680. Okay, now come to asset side. Land and building 124 as per given in balance sheet. Motor van no change 40,000, investment no change 38,000, machine no change 24,000, stock no change 30,000, debtor 80,000, but PBD reduced by 2,000, then 4,000. Old is 6 minus 2 4. 80,000 minus 4,000 PBD, then 76,000. Cash, yes, cash given in balance sheet 32, 40,000 paid to H in final payment, so net cash is 18,000. Okay, current account of K, yes, current account of K, which is transferred to CR side. Current account of K 31,680, and both sides are equal with rupees 381,680 and 381,680. This is your balance sheet of numerical number 6. Okay class, yes, you will done this numerical in your fair notebook. Okay.